lion was very hungry and had no food in his den to eat. He didn't go hunting. He didn't go hunting for days because it'd been raining for the past couple of days. On this particular day, it was not raining. The sun started shining early, and the lion thought to himself,
Great! It's so nice outside. It's a good day to go hunting. My friend, isn't it a nice sunny day to go hunting?
Sure it is. But where shall we go?
Not to bother. There will be so many animals in the bush today looking for fun. Grrr. I am so hungry. Shh! Stand still. I think I saw something that looks like a rabbit. Didn't know you could run that fast. How can we share this rabbit between us? It's too small for both of us.
We both got the rabbits, and I am just hungry that I need something to eat.
So, what's your point?
We should share the rabbit in equal parts. One part for you and the other for me. Is the rule of hunting. Is that fair?
Who taught you that rule?
You know better that is the rule of hunting. Lion, I know my rights, and I'm just too smart to be fooled. Please share the meat.
he ate all the rabbit, but still felt hungry. He left the carcass on the floor. He needed someone to go hunting with so that he could get some more food to eat. The lion called out to another friend, Leopard, who lived on the other side of the road. As they walked down the bush, they saw an antelope. The leopard ran so fast and caught the antelope.
Good job, Leopard. I didn't know you could run that fast.
They took the catch home. But as Leopard walked into the den of the lion, holding the antelope in his mouth, he noticed the carcass on the floor. Do you know what he did? He became terrified because he knew the lion would do the same thing to him, because he knew the lion had killed. Then the lion asked him,
Leopard, my friend, how can we share this antelope between us? It's too small for both of us.
The leopard knew what happened and didn't want to meet the same fate, as the lion was almost twice of his size and much stronger and bigger, of course. He didn't want to risk a fight with the lion, and he prayed,
Lord, please, how could I walk out here alive?
What do you say?
Lion, my lord, you can have the meat since you are hungry. It is the rule. I can prepare a nice dish with the meat for you, if you so wish.
Who taught you this rule?
The leopard paused and moved closer to the entrance of the den. He pointed to the den on the floor and he said,
It's the carcass of that dead that taught me this rule of wisdom. I learned my lessons from what happened to others. I beg to leave now.
he said. With that, the leopard rushed out of the den. He ran so fast for his dear life, screeching dust as he ran. The lion looked at him and murmured,
God has saved you.
"This is the end of my story." Wow. Children, did you learn anything from this story?
Yes.
You're going to tell us now. What did you learn? Oh, yes, you.
Auntie, I learned that it's good to learn from what happened to others.
Repeat.
I learned that you learn your lessons from what happened to others.
Good. You learn your lessons from what has happened to others. Yes, another lesson.
I learned that it is good to be wise.
It is good to be wise. You should be wise. Yes, it's not good to kill. Yes.
I learned that it is not good to be selfish.
Don't be selfish. Don't be greedy. Thank you very much, children. This is the end of my story. Good night.
Monkey, 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 we went to the lion's den. The beast and the best were there. Then suddenly monkey came down and jumped before them there. The monkey gave a jump and killed the lion's knees. The lion's three heads down the monkey. That is the end of the monkey, One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling.